warrant?
There's gonna be a warrant.
Well,
we have detectives on the way. We need you guys to step on out.
William Brown to be tried under Benny's Law Monday, the first ever to be charged in New Mexico.
Make sure parents understand that they can face consequences for allowing kids to have access to their firearms. There's some concerns that if it's not successful in the first couple of trials, or if it goes to the appellate courts, then obviously they're gonna have to come back and look at revisiting that law.
Prosecutors charging Brown with negligent use of a gun accessible to a minor.
There's a bunch of guns in the bedroom that I was in just now too.
This after Brown's 14-year-old son was charged with killing 13-year-old Amber Archuleta at his Cuesta home last summer.
The gun is still missing. The police have been unable to find that gun wherever it may be now.
Investigators allege William's son used his gun to kill the girl. His son's trial ending in a hung jury.
I was very disappointed that it wasn't a guilty verdict, but being a hung jury, my thoughts were there were some people in that jury that believe that he's guilty.
The victim's family still on a quest for justice. Their attorney Shane Meyer telling us this trial will now prove if Benny's Law is effective.
One, to make sure that Amber receives justice, but even more so that people understand that if Mr. Brown had just kept his gun safe, Amber would likely be alive today.